Hello guys, once again. Today is the final of Mr. Sumi season 2, and right now I'm with the contestant number 5. Bituka, he's so confident, he's so smart, and Ama. First day, but last time this is support kunai. Thank you so much. Apa nak baca doa? Aci tu jadi mana jadi mo?
Ni makan bi jadi wadah ni man parana bagian ese. Isor morombra jadi wadi bo bagian dah makan bi bisa selesai.
Okay.
Ini tayla tinggal boleh ese. Isor ni tayi support ko wadi bo.
Oh, okay, thank you so much. Yeah, thank you, and all the best. Thank you so much.
Good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Sumi, and I am the coordinator of Ecstatic Entertainment, our host for tonight. She is none other than lead heavy actor, first runner-up, Miss Kohima. Shall we all give a big applause for our host?
And I believe that I can overcome every circumstances that comes my way. Thank you.
To present us with a melodious song. The stage is all yours. You would, I will go wild, and the night's young, and your mind drunk, bring it to my face now, drop down, you make a stroke, I go wild.
one thing, and the thing will be, I'll give home to the one who are sleeping without shelter. I'll provide food to the one who are sleeping in the stomach. Because, sir, yes, God loves everyone, but there are so many people who are left behind in society, and I want to bring them up, show them to the world, show them to the people that we are saved. Thank you, sir.
Life, I feel that man's life is much more easier than women, because women, they bear the baby for 9 months, and it is very hard to give birth to a child, and the man does not experience those things. He doesn't even experience the period thing, the menstrual cycle. So I feel that men has a much life easier, because they can even own their father's property, and they can roam around shirtless. However, the girl cannot do that. So I feel that our man has much more easier life than in comparison with the woman.
This platform, it's a great platform for me, and I won't say much about. I have a big dreams for Mr. Sumi title, and that's why I'm here, to shine my dad, to shine my moms, and to shine my friends, to shine my family members. That's why I'm here, and to even me, to experience good things in this platform.
I look for this title, and I've struggled a lot to reach here in this step. And I deserve to be the winner because I'm more passionate about this title. And not only that, but this title also means a lot to me. It means it's a stepping stone to me to sharpen myself for the coming days and to uplift my people.
Criticism, it's such a word that we face daily in our lives. Criticism is something we can take it negatively, but when we take it positively, it's something that builds us from the inside, from the out. Criticism is something that helps us to adapt ourselves and be confident in ourselves. I take criticism confidently, and I believe and I encourage everyone to take criticism confidently.
We are all Nagas out here, and we all know that we are good in everything, but be it good or bad, there's always something that we have drawbacks within us. And when it comes to us Nagas, we Nagas are very good in everything, but the thing that Naga people are lacking, which I feel, is that we are not so good in uplifting our own people. Because, see, there are a lot of singers, dancers, and whatever it be. When it comes to other states, they are very good in uplifting them. But when it comes to Naga, we are only about, if he can do, even I can do. Why should we support him? Not saying that everyone does the same. There are a lot of people who support their own people. But this is the thing I would like to change. And once again,
let me fall to the ground. You in this life, in case it is the last time that we find.
What do you think? Okay. Kira lagi ada.
Firstly, I thank God, and yeah, we are so happy.
Yes, and how do you feel?
I feel ecstatic. Really appreciate the organizing for this such program, giving the opportunity to our youngsters to explore their talent. It is a good opportunity, and luckily we got the first runners up. Thank you for that.
Congratulations once again. Now, finally, winner is here with me.
Yes.
Yes. अच्छा अपना पता तो winner उसी ना सिंगल सिंगल ना कितना feel को ऐसे
Mang खुशी में तो ना हिस्से पे खुशी
okay thank you so much yeah अपना वाला business something apa support apa thank you so all the best for your future और अपना को भाई कितना feel को ऐसे oh yeah and thanks Mario you got this flower
From a special friend.
wow
Thank you so much.
yeah please thanks so much to your friend Kuvina
Oh, no, she coconut samunye
for this flower
for this flower.
you should come
And I got this.
wow she's too beautiful she's Miss Kohima runners up so she's beautiful and tonight she was the host
And I got this flower from him.
yeah mudu tian eh
I gave you that thing, remember?
oh yeah okay bye
Bye-bye.
see you next year
We are Mr. Sumi! So nice, yeah. Pasti.